Hey guys, welcome back to Coders Arcade. This is Ashank David and welcome back to another video in our job prep series where we talk about different companies. We break down about those companies, we understand what those company does and we understand what are the roles available right now in the current market trend, and we talk about how to prepare for those job roles and how to crack those interviews. So without any further ado, let's get right into the topic guys. And today in this video, I have brought to you another Indian company where its name is Infosys. You already know about this company, guys. You might have heard about this company. It's a very popular company, guys. It was founded in 1981. It provides digital services, consulting services, and next-gen IT solution services. It provides. It's an Indian-based company, so it's the main headquarters of that company is in Bengaluru, India. And here, if we talk about other hubs in across India, then we have Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, and Mysuru. This is the website infosys.com. You can go ahead on that website and get to know more about that particular website. Guys, remember, before you go into an interview, make sure to know about that company so that you can answer the questions very well. So that is something. Now, Infosys, what is the style of hiring? Infosys hires freshers through InfyTQ, campus drives, and off-campus drives. So campus drives and off-campus drives, you guys already understand. Campus drive means your college. Once you get placements, once your drive comes, when your company comes for placements, that is your campus placements. And off-campus means from outside sources. We have already discussed about this before. Now, what is this InfyTQ? InfyTQ is a proper Infosys process. It's a whole process where the people who are studying in engineering, before their engineering gets over, this InfyTQ exam lets those people, those students who are doing engineering currently, if they want to apply for Infosys, they can go ahead and give this InfyTQ test, which pre-qualifies them for Infosys before actually coming into the fourth year, or in general, before pre-placements. Basically, this is your pre-placement. So that can be done using this particular type of test. So InfyTQ is the test that happens. Okay. So this is your InfyTQ. About Infosys. So Infosys is one of the India's top IT services company, which offers digital transformation, cloud, AI, automation, and consulting across global industry. So it's a very popular company about IT services. It provides digital services, cloud and AI, next-gen engineering, and consulting services are provided by Infosys. I hope so that you have understood about the company very well. Next, what are the current job roles which are being offered by this company? This is the main section of our video. So let's talk about it. So roles offered are right now three in the as of current market trend for now. Systems engineer, this is an entry level developer role. Then we have power programmer. So in this we have advanced level programmers, and then we have digital specialist engineer, DSE. So this is another one, but this is related to AI/ML. So artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud, all those things. We have full stack here as well. Packages are okay in this particular thing. But if you want the highest package, you should go for power programmer. That is the thing. Let's talk about what's the role about is. If we talk about system engineer, this is the entry level role that most of the people, once they go into Infosys, they get this role and they work on basic level of development, testing, maintenance, and IT client solutions. So this will give you around 3.6 to 4 LPA. This is the approximate range, guys. I'm not saying that you will only get this much, but this is the approximate range. Again, I'm telling this that the salaries will automatically change depending upon your skill level and the project you are put up into, like that. Then this is your basic one. So if you want to get a basic level system engineer job, then you can go ahead and go do this. For the eligibility criteria, we'll come to the eligibility, but I'll tell you about this briefly here, that if you want to become a system engineer, at least minimum one programming language should be necessary. Not DSA, but maybe you can do one programming language. That is important here, guys. Okay. Next is power programmer. This is the highest, highest giving salary package, the role. We talk about this, then it's a high skill coding role where the competitive programming is asked and DSA problems are asked. Mostly here, advanced data structures would be asked, like graphs, trees. These kind of questions related to these topics are going to be asked generally if you want to become a power programmer. This is the highest paid role available currently in Infosys. So advanced engineering role requiring strong problem solving and coding expertise. Not only just you should have basic programming language knowledge, but also plus with that DSA problem solving skills should be also fine. You have to perfect that. So then you will be able to get into power programmer. I hope so that this is very, very much clear. Next is digital specialist engineer, DSE. It gives you AIML, cloud and full stack and automation kind of thing. Here you can include Python and basic level of Java, and you can get this here. So work on next gen technology like artificial intelligence, machine level, and strong technical and project skills should be there. Now again, in this case also, if you want, you can directly join it by just having basic programming knowledge and specific knowledge related to AIML. Things like you should be asked about NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, all those kind of libraries, then scikit-learn, all those things are generally asked for AIML as well. So data science and AIML engineering concepts are generally asked in this particular role. So if you want to get into that next gen technology, then it is this. It will provide you approximately 6 to 7 LPA. Now this is again tentative and approximation. So again, it will really depend upon your skills and your project available. Same goes for here also, power programmer. Starting one is 8 LPA, but it can go up to, there is no roof. There is nothing. It can go higher and higher and higher. So it's like that. So it depends upon your skill level and how do you solve problems like that. These are the role provided by the company Infosys right now in the current market trend as of for December 2025. If you want to get the job into this, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is that you should at least have BE, BTech, ME or MTech background, or MCA or MSc background should be there. Again, it is varied by the roles. Depending upon which role you want to go into, eligibility criteria differs. That you will get to know once you go ahead in the placements, this thing, you'll understand about it. Then CGPA is like 60% or 6 CGPA. It is commonly required, just like TCS here. The requirements are almost same as TCS. So it's very simple, and you guys will be able to get easily eligible if you are doing any of those graduations available right here. So like that. No active backlog should be there. This is the thing here in this particular thing. And generally aptitude, reasoning and verbal ability is asked. And important for InfyTQ, these things are very important: aptitude, reasoning and verbal ability. Your way of communication, your way of speaking, your English, plus your reasoning and aptitude skills are generally asked in this case. We talk about basic coding skills for engineering, system engineer. Basic coding skills include one programming language, mastering of one programming language and understanding about that properly. Then we talk about the strong DSA competitive coding for power programmer. So these are the things. So strong DSA problems like graph problems, like Dijkstra's algorithm, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm. Then we talk about topological sorting algorithms in graphs. We talk about finding out multiple different things into trees, deletion. All those things are generally asked into power programming because this is a high-end role. So here you will be asked. So this is the thing. So ultimately, power programmer, toughest role and strong coding is required. Okay. What is the selection process? Let's talk about that. Selection process includes online tests, technical interview and HR interview. So online test, again InfyTQ, then Infosys requirement test is that, where aptitude, logical, verbal and programming basics are asked. So this is the first step that you usually do. Then the next step is technical interview. So in technical interview, object oriented programming, DBMS, DSA basics, projects and coding questions are generally asked. Guys, one thing I am seeing that in most of the different companies, object oriented programming is generally asked. So if you are looking for a job into, in fact, any company, object oriented programming is very important, guys. Generally coding questions from object oriented programming like polymorphism is asked. What is polymorphism? What are the types of polymorphism? All those questions are generally asked. So you have to take care of that part. Then we talk about HR round. In HR round, salary discussion, communication skills, then all those things, behavioral question and role fit questions are generally asked. So this is about these roles, guys. We talk about general thing, high level training is provided by the company and skill based hiring is done. So key takeaways is great for freshers looking for strong training and career growth. This is perfect for them. Power programmer and DSA are premium skill based roles, and InfyTQ scores and coding skills matter heavily. So I hope so that these are the things that you have understood about Infosys, guys. My takeaway, my conclusion about this company is you should go for Power Programmer if you have strong coding skills. If you think that you will be able to crack all the different questions, strong coding questions which are generally asked, you should go for Power Programmer. Make sure DSA is very much clear. You should know about trees, graphs. It's important for this company. Then you should know about basic programming first if you want to just get into systems engineer. So that is the thing. If you are a basic level, starting entry level engineer, then you should go for that role. And if you want to go for a different kind of role, then you have this digital specialist engineer role available that you can go ahead and explore if you are looking looking job into AI/ML field. If you are looking job into cloud field, AI/ML field, automation field, then this kind of role is perfect for you guys. For this also basic coding skills are required definitely, and specific role based technologies are required. For example, if you want to go into AI/ML, then you should go for NumPy, Pandas, all those things. If you are going with automation, then you should know about Selenium, all those things, kind of frameworks. Specific technology depending upon the roles should be taken care of. Well, these are my key takeaways. You should be able to easily crack this company if you have this much of knowledge. Eligibility criteria is very simple. You just have to have BE or BTech or ME or MTech or MC or MSc. These are the things that is required. And 60%, 60% your this thing, CGPA, 60% or 6 CGPA is important. That can be easily managed, guys. Infosys, I think that it's one of the very good companies that you guys can go ahead and get into. So this is my takeaways, and I hope so that today this video helped you a lot. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, guys. And don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you won't miss any future updates. We'll keep bringing you videos like this in future, guys. And when you subscribe, it helps me to, it motivates us to make these kind of videos more in better way. Also, guys, I will put up all the important links. Specifically, we are talking about Telegram. If you have not followed our Telegram channel, then you should follow Telegram channel also. We provide good study materials. We provide links. We provide important career links also, and other placement options also. There on Telegram, we can have a discussion on that as well. Then follow ours on our WhatsApp channel also. If you use WhatsApp, you can use WhatsApp channel also to connect with us. And to connect with us, you can email us or you can contact us on our YouTube about. We will give our information as well. And I hope so that this is all for this video, guys. I think so you understood about this company. In the next video, we will talk about a different company with a new different day. I hope so that this is very much clear, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget about Telegram, and that's all for this video, guys. Thank you, guys.